Data window. This window is intended for displaying of price information, OHLC, date and time of the bar, and the indicators, including custom ones, used. Data window is an information window and it does not allow to perform any actions. The desired information about a certain bar and the imposed indicators can be obtained here promptly. To do so, it is sufficient to place the cursor over the necessary bar. Context menu commands of this window allow copy data from this window into the clipboard for further use in other applications. The same action can be performed by pressing of accelerating keys of Ctrl+C, last data, show/hide the latest data column. At that, an additional column containing the last bar data will appear in the window. Auto arrange, set up the column size automatically when the window size changes. Grid, show/hide grid to separate columns. Show/hide information fields. Any of the bar prices, OHLC, date or volume can be selected in the submenu that appears. If the element has not been checked, it will not be shown. It is designed to display price information for the selected bar, open, high, low, close, date and time, as well as volume. It also shows the value of each indicator used, including the custom-made ones. This window serves only an informative role and does not allow the trader to perform any actions regarding the trade or to customize the workspace. By right-clicking on the data window, a context menu opens, containing the following 5 commands. Copy is used to copy data from the data window into the clipboard for further use in other applications. The same action can be performed by pressing the Ctrl+C key combination. Last data shows/hides the latest data column. By checking the last data command, an additional column containing the last bar data will appear in the data window, next to the data displayed for the bar, on which you have currently scrolled. Auto arrange sets up the column size automatically when the data window's size changes. Grid is used to show/hide the grid separating the window's columns. Show pops up a new window where the trader can choose what information is displayed in the data window. Any of the bar prices, open, hig, low, close, date and time or volume can be selected or deselected in the submenu. Unchecking an element will hide it from display. This data will show information for a particular candlestick. By scrolling your mouse over the candlesticks on a forex chart, this data will change to reflect the price candlestick that the mouse is pointed at. The data window is not popularly used in the as compared to the other MetaTrader 4 chart windows. However, as a trader you can use this data window to extract and display information and data about any price candlestick and the prices associated with this candlestick, such as the opening price data, closing price data and high and low of price. Because most traders can obtain this information directly from the charts, then the traders may prefer to use the information that is readily available on the forex chart within the MetaTrader 4 platform software interface. Another method to get this data is to use the crosshair mouse pointer. To get the crosshair mouse pointer, a trader only requires to press down and hold down the wheel mouse button and the crosshair will appear. If your mouse does not have a wheel button, please go and buy another one so that you can trade the MetaTrader 4 crosshair. And from this crosshair a trader can get the price data as shown below. Indicators can be used to create a trailing stop loss, and some are designed specifically for this function. When using an indicator-based trailing stop loss, you have to manually move the stop loss to reflect the information shown on the indicator. Many trailing stop loss indicators are based on the average true range, ATR, which measures how much an asset typically moves over a given time frame. If a forex pair typically moves 7 pips every 10 minutes, the ATR would show this reading on the chart if using 10-minute price bars. The stop loss could be trailed at a multiple of the ATR. For example, assume you buy a forex pair at 1.1520 and place an initial stop loss at 1.1506. This is a risk of 14 pips. If the price moves in your favor, continue to trail the stop loss 14 pips behind the highest price witnessed since entry. If the price rises to 1.1530, the stop loss is moved up to 1.1516, which is 1.1530 to 0.0014. Continue to do this until the price eventually hits the stop loss.